The news media often sensationalizes stories to attract viewers, and in the context of fires, they frequently emphasize the electrical component, highlighting it as a common cause and a potentially thrilling narrative. It's crucial to acknowledge that while electricity can be a fire hazard, it is not the sole or primary culprit in all fire incidents. Moreover, the vast majority of buildings and residences are wired safely and pose no immediate threat. According to the National Fire Protection Association, electrical fires account for a relatively small percentage of overall fire incidents in the United States, approximately 5%. This figure underscores the fact that the majority of fires stem from other sources, including cooking accidents, smoking-related incidents, and acts of arson. While it's essential to recognize the potential hazards associated with electricity, it's equally important to remember that electricity is a safe and convenient energy source widely utilized in millions of homes and businesses on a daily basis. If concerns arise regarding the safety and integrity of an electrical system, seeking the expertise of a qualified electrician is advisable. A skilled electrician can conduct thorough inspections to identify any potential hazards and recommend necessary repairs or upgrades to ensure safety and compliance with electrical codes. It is important to consider the various factors that can contribute to electrical fires and to understand how to mitigate those risks. Firstly, faulty wiring is a significant cause of electrical fires. Over time, the insulation on electrical wires can deteriorate, exposing the conductors and creating a risk of short circuits. These short circuits can generate excessive heat, which can ignite nearby combustible materials and lead to a fire. Secondly, overloaded circuits are another common culprit. When too many electrical devices are plugged into a single circuit, the circuit can become overloaded, causing the wires to overheat and potentially start a fire. It's crucial to use power strips with surge protection to prevent overloads and to distribute the load across multiple circuits. Thirdly, outdated or damaged electrical panels can also pose a fire risk. Electrical panels are responsible for distributing electricity throughout a building, and if they are not properly maintained, they can malfunction and cause electrical fires. Regular inspections and maintenance of electrical panels are essential to ensure their safe operation. Fourthly, misuse of extension cords is a frequent cause of electrical fires. Extension cords are designed for temporary use and should not be used as a permanent wiring solution. Overloading extension cords or running them under rugs or furniture can create a fire hazard. Fifthly, defective appliances can also ignite fires. Appliances with faulty wiring or components can overheat and start a fire. Regularly inspecting appliances for signs of damage and replacing them when necessary can help prevent electrical fires. Sixthly, lighting fixtures can be a source of electrical fires if not properly installed or maintained. Using bulbs with the correct wattage for the fixture and ensuring that the wiring is in good condition can help prevent fires. Seventhly, unattended cooking is a major cause of fires, including electrical fires. Leaving cooking appliances unattended can lead to overheating and ignition of nearby materials. Always stay in the kitchen when cooking and never leave appliances unattended. Eighthly, smoking in bed is a dangerous habit that can easily lead to fires. Cigarettes can ignite bedding and other flammable materials, causing a fire to spread rapidly. Ninthly, arson is a deliberate act that can cause devastating fires. Arsonists may use electrical devices to start fires, making it difficult to determine the true cause. Tenthly, natural disasters, such as lightning strikes, can also cause electrical fires. Lightning can surge through electrical systems, causing damage and potentially starting a fire. Surge protectors can help protect against lightning strikes. To prevent electrical fires, it is essential to take the following precautions. 1. Have your electrical system inspected regularly by a qualified electrician. An electrician can identify potential hazards and make recommendations for repairs or upgrades. 2. Replace any damaged or outdated wiring. Damaged wiring can create a fire hazard and should be replaced as soon as possible. 3. Avoid overloading circuits. Use power strips with surge protection and distribute the load across multiple circuits. 4. Do not use extension cords as a permanent wiring solution. Extension cords are designed for temporary use only. 5. Inspect appliances regularly for signs of damage. Replace appliances when necessary to prevent electrical fires. 6. Use the correct wattage bulbs for lighting fixtures. Using bulbs with the incorrect wattage can overheat the fixture and cause a fire. 7. Never leave cooking appliances unattended. Always stay in the kitchen when cooking and never leave appliances unattended. 8. Do not smoke in bed. Cigarettes can easily ignite bedding and other flammable materials. 9. Install smoke detectors throughout your home. Smoke detectors can alert you to a fire in its early stages, giving you time to escape. 10. Develop a fire escape plan. Make sure everyone in your home knows what to do in case of a fire. Proper grounding is essential for electrical safety. Grounding provides a path for stray electrical currents to flow safely to the earth, preventing electrical shocks and reducing the risk of fire. All electrical systems should be properly grounded according to local electrical codes. Arc fault circuit interrupters, also known as ASIs, are devices that detect arc faults, which are dangerous electrical conditions that can lead to fires. ASIs are designed to trip a circuit breaker when an arc fault is detected, preventing a fire from starting. ASIs are required in many areas of the home, including bedrooms, living rooms, and dining rooms. Ground fault circuit interrupters, also known as GFCIs, are devices that protect against electrical shock. GFCIs are designed to trip a circuit breaker when a ground fault is detected, preventing a person from being electrocuted. GFCIs are required in areas where water is present, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor outlets. Surge protectors protect electronic devices from voltage spikes. Voltage spikes can damage or destroy electronic devices, so it is essential to use surge protectors to protect them. Surge protectors should be used for all electronic devices, including computers, televisions, and stereos. Regular maintenance of electrical systems is crucial for preventing electrical fires. This includes inspecting wiring, outlets, and appliances for signs of damage, replacing any damaged components, and keeping electrical panels clean and free of obstructions. If you are not comfortable performing electrical work yourself, it is best to hire a qualified electrician. An electrician can safely and effectively perform electrical repairs and upgrades. Electrical codes and standards are in place to ensure the safety of electrical systems. These codes and standards are developed by organizations such as the National Electrical Code (NEC) and the National Fire Protection Association (NFPA). Following electrical codes and standards is essential for preventing electrical fires and ensuring the safety of electrical systems. When it comes to electrical safety, prevention is key. By taking the necessary precautions and maintaining your electrical system properly, you can significantly reduce the risk of electrical fires and protect yourself and your family. Remember to be vigilant and to address any electrical concerns promptly. If you are ever unsure about something, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician. They possess the knowledge and expertise to ensure that your electrical system is safe and up to code. Staying informed about electrical safety is also crucial. Educate yourself about the potential hazards associated with electricity and how to prevent them. There are many resources available online and in your community that can provide valuable information about electrical safety. By taking these steps, you can help create a safer environment for yourself, your family, and your community. The importance of professional electrical inspections cannot be overstated. A qualified electrician can identify potential hazards that may not be readily apparent to the untrained eye. They can also ensure that your electrical system is up to code and functioning properly. Regular electrical inspections are especially important for older homes, as they may have outdated wiring or other electrical issues that could pose a fire risk. During an electrical inspection, the electrician will typically check the following items: 1. Wiring. 2. Outlets. 3. Switches. 4. Electrical panel. 5. Grounding system. 6. Smoke detectors. 7. Carbon monoxide detectors. If any issues are found during the inspection, the electrician will provide recommendations for repairs or upgrades. It is essential to follow these recommendations to ensure the safety of your electrical system. Hiring a qualified electrician is crucial for ensuring the safety of your electrical system. A qualified electrician has the training, experience, and knowledge necessary to perform electrical work safely and effectively. They are also familiar with local electrical codes and standards. When hiring an electrician, it is important to check their credentials and make sure they are licensed and insured. You should also ask for references and check online reviews to get a sense of their reputation. Never attempt to perform electrical work yourself unless you are qualified to do so. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is always best to leave it to the professionals. In conclusion, electrical safety is a critical aspect of home safety. By taking the necessary precautions, maintaining your electrical system properly, and hiring qualified professionals, you can significantly reduce the risk of electrical fires and protect yourself and your family. Remember to stay informed, be vigilant, and always prioritize safety when it comes to electricity.